Mmm.
Got him.
Whoa!
Put him inside.
Look at that sucker.
Whoop, whoop. Let go. Here. Yep, right there. There's two. There's two in one. Here you go. Want some? There you go. Now move the fish closer. I think it's right there. I don't know where it's at. Right there.
Look at that. And I'll show you. There's two, like, it's flying away. You want to grab the middle one, right at the little edge right there. Pinch it and just twist a little bit so it'll break off. And then just pull that yuckiness out. Look at that sucker. Whoa! It's gonna get you! What we're doing is we're killing them by stabbing them in the head.
Oh, you're pretty quick. Getting better.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna get you. Okay. Enough playing. Trying to get away. Ooh. Okay. That one. Whoa! That scared me. Woo! It didn't hurt, it just more scared me. Let go. Okay, fine. You don't want to let go, I'll get your butt first. There. Okay, you guys, so let's cook them now, okay? You guys ready? Cooking them. Just gonna place them on the aluminum foil. Just pile them up. Look, they're holding on for dear life. The Cajun, whatever seasoning you want, it really doesn't matter. But this is what we're using. The garlic. Ice chest. Sprinkle salt. I got minced garlic. Minced garlic. Woo! There we go. Got some of this yummy goodness. Lime, lemon, sure it's all closed, sealed in, and let's go. We're gonna go to the fire. Oh, wait. That's it. On the fire. Oh, maybe get it down lower. Yeah. There we go.
Open the box.
Let them cook, and we'll show you what they look like when we're done.
Wait.
See you later. They're done. They cooked. They cooked for 20 minutes on the fire, as you saw, and we let them sit here for 5 minutes. I'm gonna peek at them and see if they're done. Maybe a little bit longer, but we'll check them out. What do you think?
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, I gotta show you. You gotta come closer. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. I can't wait. I'm gonna take the lemon. It's hot, but it's hot. Can I have a napkin, please? There. That's how you deal with the wind. Water bottles. Okay, I'm gonna take this. It's hot. It's hot. Cause like an Asian, it's hot. It's hot. We're struggling. It's hot. Okay, anyway, it's supposed to be a little dipping sauce. But there is sauce here. Dip it in the sauce. What's there? Mmm. Oh yeah. Delicious. Then you're looking good. Mmm. That's yummy. Like it?
Yeah, tastes good.
Good. Okay, this one has eggs. That's eggs.
Mm-hmm. Try it.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. Cheers. It's fine. That's a good piece of meat right there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Yummy, huh? Mmm. Mm-hmm.